All right, got a little 2021 Toyota Corolla Hatchback XSE. Pretty new, got a couple hundred miles on it, so I've been driving it for about a week and pretty happy with it so far. This is the XSE model, as I mentioned. We got the combination black roof, black 18-inch wheels, polished, and then of course manual transmission. So pretty neat black interior with these inserts that are kind of fabricy. It's got the all-weather matte package, so it's got rubber mats. It's pretty nice. The Corolla on it. Here's the door. It's actually got the one-touch windows, which I was surprised about. Actually, a lot of good features in this car. That's not really the point of this video. The point of this video is the goodies that we got in this box here. So we're gonna be installing a few little accessories. First, we're gonna start with this big box. And this is the bumper protector. It's got a little arrow right there. That will be the center of it, which is nice of them to mold that in. And the tape is actually numbered in what order you're supposed to peel it, apparently. So I would have expected it to be butted against there, but apparently it just lays back against the... I was just trying to see what it looks like. It's kind of weird that it... I guess that's why, because it follows the trunk lid, because it leaves a lot of room, so you'd think if it was trying to protect it, cover that up. But all right, let's pull the self-adhesive strips. Press the back edge. I think that's pretty good. Just line up the molded in triangle with the latch and it should be pretty centered. So we're gonna run some pressure along the edge, make sure it's all adhered all the way around. And there we go. First piece is done. Very nice. So this bit right here you could see is very glossy. This bit is the regular kind of plastic, which is okay. The purpose is to provide protection. So you probably wouldn't want that glossy. There you go, one piece down. All right, let's see what else is in here. Oh, we got the black emblem kit. These are all genuine Toyota accessories, and they're gonna go right on top of the existing emblems here. So, because we have the black roof, black wheels, black bumper, black interior, and the black grille, it only makes sense that we have black emblems. The front one's gonna stay kind of this one, but it's a slightly darkened. The back was just straight chrome, so we want to make sure to get that one covered up. So again, it's gonna clean with alcohol. I'm gonna do one at a time and just stick them on there. Again, Toyota makes it pretty easy. It's just really a very thin black self-adhesive little piece of plastic. So this is what it's gonna look like. Pretty fresh. Let's pull the tape. And stick this on. I'll let you guys know if any stuff falls off in the cold Idaho winter. Just pressing this on to make sure we got,
looks like we got movement.
Good adhesion. I'm a fan. That looks pretty good so far. All right, that's looking good. Gonna move on to the XSE emblem. We'll probably do this with the hatch up. I'm just gonna hold it. And I think it's smart to do this while the car is relatively new, so there's not a ton of dirt on it. Peel the adhesive. And slip it on. So easy, even I could do it. I'd hate to know what the dealer charges for this thing, but actually this kit is ridiculous. It's I think the MSRP on this kit is over $100 or close to $100. You can find it cheaper than that, but it's still maybe 80 bucks. It's just ridiculous pricing for what it is. It's a thin piece of plastic. All right. Toyota XSE. Now he's got to black out the Corolla. You know, in the future, if I hate it, I may just pull the Corolla and the XSE totally off and just leave the Toyota logo. But for now, we're gonna roll like this. All right. It's actually fairly tight to the body. So I was wondering about that, how, because this just goes over the top of the lettering, how tight would it be? There's just the ever so slight little bit of a gap there, but pretty good quality overall, as you should expect from Toyota. And for those of you that are curious, here's a part number for the XSE emblem cap, right? That includes the Toyota logo, XSE, and the Corolla overlay. And it actually says made in the USA. Pretty remarkable. You don't see that very often. But there you go. It's actually made in the USA, not Japan. Bam. That's a much sharper look right there. That's how it should have came from the factory. And you actually can order it with the Blackout package, but I think it's either a dealer or port installed option. And it's pretty expensive. You can check it out on the Toyota website. Definitely much easier to do it yourself. Nice.